Hello everybody, John here, and today onto the garage I'm doing a quick secret of the XK8 that is connected with a trick with the alarm system, and also testing out some new kit. So see, it's a very windy day. I want to see what the microphone is picking up and not picking up. I'm using a different, I hope better, camera, and I've got some new mounts and bits and pieces as well, so I'm just playing around if I'm honest. But to the point, what's our secret of the XK8 for today? So we've got our beautiful XK8, we've got our remote control, we've got lock, as usual is locked, and we've got unlock, unlocked, different sounds. So what I'm going to do now is just prove it's unlocked. There she is, opened up, no problem. Now what I'm going to do, again in front of the car so you can see the lights and hear the sounds, I hope. I'm going to do a lock. There we are, so she's locked. And again I'm just going to go over and it's locked. I know I could be faking that, but I'm not, trust me. So this has actually been inspired by one of our subscribers who asked a question, and I realised, yeah, it's probably a bit of a secret. I don't even know if it's covered in the owner's manual. What happens if your key fob is going a little bit off, the battery is starting to fail, and you come back to your car and open it with the key? And the reality is, if you open this with the key, it will open and it will set the alarm off. And our subscriber's question was, how do you get round that? And the answer is, the chip in the black plastic part of the key has to see the ignition barrel and the ignition turned on within, I think it's supposed to be 10 seconds, but it's closer to 7 if I'm honest. So what will happen is, if I try and open this with a key now, it's going to say, my real owner has the remote control. Are you sure you're really them? And it'll start chirping. And if I leave it to chirp long enough, the alarm will go off. So I'm going to do that first, just to show what happens if you don't know this trick. And I've just, for the neighbour's sake, opened the doors with the key so that that doesn't happen. So what we're going to do is get this right back to standard again. So locked, unlocked, no problem, locked. Oh no, my remote control has run out of batteries, or I've lost my remote control, I only have my key. How do I get in without setting the alarm off? And the answer to it is like so. So I'm going to use the key. It's warning me, that's not right. Put your key in ignition, turn the ignition on, no problem. As long as it's a real Jaguar, genuine black key with the right chip that the car knows. So that's our little secret of the XK8 for the day. Hello again, and just for those of you who are kind enough to stop around till the very end, a little bit of bonus footage as it's a short video for those of you geeky enough to be interested in this sort of stuff. Testing, 1, 2, 3, just doing a little bit of a check to see what can be said, what can be heard, what can be seen with the Osmo on its standard microphone. So I've always just made do with whatever I've got around me to do the filming, to mount the camera. And I say camera, I mean my mobile phone. And the only thing I've really ever upgraded has been putting some wireless mics together, and I have got a desk mic for doing voiceovers like this. But I've invested in an Osmo Action camera, and that's going to replace the mobile phone as the main source of the footage. And I've got a fabulous mount, but hopefully means I can get some decent in-car moving shots. So more to come.